Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to change your Spotify playlist cover. A lot of people don't know that this is a real option and it's a very quick and easy way. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. So let's open Spotify, and as you can see I'm on my own Spotify list over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm clicking on the three dots you can see next to the green icon. So clicking on the three dots, and as you can see now I can click on edit. Clicking on edit, and now I can edit the name, I can edit description, but I can also click on change image. Now I can choose from a library, but I can also take a picture or take a selfie, whatever, and I can click on use photo. And as you can see now, I changed the playlist cover, so I can do this for any playlist that I created or that my friends created and I'm invited to. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.